We've exhausted the cumulative sum of human knowledge and AI training.
These words from Elon Musk sent shockwaves through the tech world. But what exactly does this mean for the future of artificial intelligence? And more importantly, what does it mean for you? In today's deep dive, we're exploring what could be the most significant challenge facing AI development in 2025. During a recent live stream on X, Elon Musk offered his viewpoint on what he sees as potential challenges in AI development. His perspective, that acquiring diverse, high-quality training data is becoming more complex, represents one voice in the ongoing industry discussion about AI training data. While some industry observers share similar concerns, others disagree about AI training data's future availability and scalability. The discussion around AI training data reflects various viewpoints across the industry. Recently, the discussion around AI training data reflected diverse and sometimes contrasting viewpoints across the industry. At a recent NeurIPS conference, researchers including Ilya Sutskever shared their predictions of AI training data. While based on current trends and research, these predictions represent forecasts rather than facts about how training methods might evolve. Research teams at the UK's Alan Turing Institute are conducting ongoing studies into data scaling challenges in AI development. Their preliminary research has led to projections about potential future constraints in publicly available training data, including a widely discussed prediction about possible changes by 2026. However, the researchers emphasize that such projections are based on current trends and could shift as technology and data availability evolve. Various approaches to addressing these challenges are being explored. For instance, Charlie Snell from Google DeepMind has proposed investigating inference-time computing as one potential direction, while Microsoft's CEO Satya Nadella emphasizes the importance of improving data efficiency. So what exactly is synthetic data? At its core, it's artificially generated information that mimics real-world data patterns without containing actual real-world information. Think of it as a sophisticated simulation of reality. Current research explores various methods for generating synthetic data. These include statistical distribution analysis and model-based generation, alongside emerging techniques like generative adversarial networks, GANs, and variational autoencoders, VAEs. While these approaches show promise, researchers continue to study their effectiveness and limitations. Even more concerning, we're seeing AI-powered social manipulation on an unprecedented scale. In the 2022 Philippines election, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. utilized a TikTok troll army to capture votes from younger Filipinos, showing how AI can be weaponized for political influence. The potential benefits are significant. Synthetic data offers virtually unlimited training material, allowing for rapid iteration and experimentation. It addresses privacy concerns by eliminating the need for real personal data, aligning perfectly with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Organizations can customize datasets to include specific scenarios or edge cases that might be rare or dangerous to replicate in real life. But the story doesn't end with synthetic data. Recent developments have exposed alarming vulnerabilities in AI systems that affect us all. Researchers have discovered Imprompter, a technique that lets hackers extract personal information from AI chatbots with an 80% success rate. We've already seen the real-world impact. A single fake AI-generated image of a Pentagon explosion caused market panic, and AI-powered social manipulation influenced election outcomes through TikTok troll armies. The warnings come from the highest levels. Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, left Google specifically to sound. He made these comments during an interview with BBC News, which you can listen to now.
Now that we've discovered it works better than we expected a few years ago, what do we do to mitigate the long-term risks of things more intelligent than us taking control?
Let's talk about those risks, because you've said that you're worried about bad actors. What worries you the most about what could be used with this technology?
So there's a lot of things that a lot of other people have talked about to do with being able to produce lots of text automatically, so you can get lots of very effective spam bots. It'll allow authoritarian leaders to manipulate their electorates, things like that. I'm not really talking about those. There's another particular thing I want to talk about, which is the existential risk of what happens when these things get more intelligent than us. So quite recently, I've come to the conclusion that the kind of intelligence we're developing is very different from the intelligence we have. We're biological systems, and these are digital systems. And the big difference is that with digital systems, you have many copies of the same set of weights, the same model of the world. And all these copies can learn separately, but share their knowledge instantly. So it's as if you had 10,000 people, and whenever one person learned something, everybody automatically knew it. And that's how these chatbots can know so much more than any one person.
The alarm about AI dangers. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman testified before Congress, warning that if AI goes wrong, it can go quite wrong. What does this mean for you? The AI tools you use daily, from virtual assistants to financial services, could become less reliable. Your data is at risk of exposure, and sophisticated deepfakes make identity theft easier than ever. Security experts recommend using strong authentication, regular software updates, verifying AI-generated content, and being cautious about sharing personal information with AI tools. Governments are developing frameworks to address AI development challenges. The EU's AI Act includes provisions regarding data quality and synthetic data use in AI development, while establishing experimental regulatory sandboxes to study implementation approaches. The Biden administration's October 2023 executive order addresses various aspects of AI development, including data quality considerations and international cooperation frameworks. The future of AI training data presents both opportunities and challenges. As the technology evolves, questions about data quality, security, and regulation will likely play crucial roles in shaping development approaches. How do you see the relationship between traditional and synthetic training data evolving? Share your thoughts on these developments in AI technology in the comments below. Subscribe for continued analysis of emerging trends in technology.